Welcome to Art Magic.
In this easy and fun drawing tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating an adorable teddy bear that spreads love with a heartwarming touch. Sketching the teddy bear, start by drawing a big, round shape for the teddy bear's head in the center of your paper. Love sign in the right hand. Imagine your teddy bear spreading love. In its right hand, draw a small sign that says, love. Use your pencil to make the lines bold and clear. Balloon in the left hand, extend a curved line from the teddy bear's left paw to create the string of a heart-shaped balloon. Draw a heart shape at the end of the string to form a balloon. Add a smaller oval shape below for the body, connecting the two with curved lines. Remember, there's no need for perfection, just have fun with your lines. Adding details, define the teddy bear's features. Draw two small circles for eyes, a triangle for the nose, and a smiling curve for the mouth. Don't forget to give your teddy bear some cute, rounded ears on either side of its head. Your teddy bear is now ready to share love with everyone. Adding color, let your creativity shine by adding vibrant colors to your drawing. Use bright hues for the teddy bear's fur, and don't forget to color the heart balloon and the love sign. Experiment with different shades to make your teddy bear truly unique. Congratulations, young artist! You've just created an adorable teddy bear spreading love. Keep practicing and experimenting with colors to enhance your drawing skills. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art, just enjoy the process and let your imagination soar. Share your creations with your friends and family, and keep the love flowing through your art. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.